We are reporting from the Marina Beach in Chennai, and what you see are visuals of instructions being given to the general public by the police department, asking them not to come to the beaches because, of course, there's a cyclone alert. Cyclone Migjam is expected to cross the South Andhra coast by 5th December, and tomorrow is when the maximum impact of it will be felt in Tamil Nadu, especially in districts like Chennai, Tiruvallur, Kanchipuram and Chengalpet. In fact, the government of Tamil Nadu has just announced a public holiday for all these 4 districts, considering the fact that there will be heavy rains. Even though the landfall at this point in time is predicted to be somewhere between Nellore and Machilipatnam of Andhra Pradesh, what the cyclone will essentially do is it will dump huge quantities of water, huge quantities of rains in Chennai and other North Tamil Nadu districts. So that is the reason why officials are on high alert, and multiple, of course, instructions and advisories are being given to the general public by officials and the district administration, asking them to stay indoors for the next 2 days, because there will be, of course, heavy winds and heavy rains, and that is the reason why instructions such as these are being given out at public places by the officials. Apart from that, the State Disaster Management Authority has also issued an advisory to the fishermen, asking them not to venture into the sea. If you can just see the visuals, the sea is already rough and is very, very choppy at this point in time, and the wind speed also increasing by the minute. And it will only get more stronger as hours pass by. So that is the reason fishermen, of course, also have been asked not to venture into the sea for fishing. Whoever had gone mid-sea for fishing, they've been asked to come back by the Coast Guard and other authorities. Now, if you can see from the visuals, the boats, of course, have been parked here, and those who are living in the coastal area, especially those who are living near the beaches and in the coastal area, they've been asked by the district administration and the Tamil Nadu government to move to safer locations. As far as Chennai is concerned, multiple relief centers have been opened, and across Tamil Nadu, over 4,000 relief centers have been kept ready with all basic facilities. So the message, of course, has been given to all district collectors and the Chennai Corporation Commissioner that all people living in low-lying areas and vulnerable areas must be moved to safer locations. With video journalist Daniel, this is Shilpa Nair in Chennai for India Today.